Hello amazing learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will calculate the formal charge of atoms in a molecules like CH4, methane, CO2, carbon dioxide molecule step by step. So first, what is a formal charge? Formal charge is the charge assigned to an atom in a molecule, assuming that electrons in all chemical bonds are shared equally between the atoms regardless of their electronegativity. So first we will calculate the formal charge of CH4 molecule, that is methane gas. First we will write its formula, that the formula of methane gas is CH4, and then we will write its Lewis structure. And for calculating the formal charge of each atom in the molecule, we have a short trick, that is the formal charge is equal to V minus B minus D. This is the short trick by which we can calculate the formal charge of any atom in a molecule. That is, V stand for valence electron, B stand for number of bonds, and D stand for the number of electrons in the lone pair, or the number of dots in the lone pair. So first we will calculate the formal charge of carbon in methane molecule. We know that the number of valence electron of carbon are 4. We will write the number of valence electron of carbon is 4, and in the methane molecule the carbon atom form 4 bond. So we will write 4 minus the number of lone pair, or the number of electron in the lone pair. So there is no lone pair of electron in the carbon atom, so the here D is equal to 0. So the formal charge of carbon here will be the 0. Next we will calculate the formal charge of each hydrogen atom. So first we will write the valence electron of hydrogen atom, that is 1, minus the number of bond which is formed by the hydrogen atom with carbon, that is number of bonds are 1, and the number of dots are the number of electron. So there is no lone pair of electron on the hydrogen atom, so it is 0. So here the formal charge of hydrogen in CH4 molecule also the 0. And same is the case for all the other 3 hydrogen in the CH4 molecule, because all the hydrogen have one valence electron, form one bond, and there is no any lone pair of electron. So all the hydrogen have formal charge 0. So the overall molecule is neutral. Next we will take the example of carbon dioxide. First we write the formula of carbon dioxide, that is CO2. Next we will write its Lewis structure. The central atom is carbon and the outer atom are the 2 oxygen atom. So here we can see that 4 bonds are formed by the carbon atom and 2 bonds are formed by each oxygen atom. So first we will calculate the formal charge of carbon in carbon dioxide. So we write the formula, that is formal charge is equal to V minus B minus D, that is the valence electron minus number of bond minus the electrons, total number of electrons in the lone pair, that is the total number of dots on the atom. So first we will calculate the formal charge of carbon. We know that the valence electron in the carbon are 4 and the number of bond which is formed in the carbon dioxide are 4, and we can see that there is no any lone pair of electron, so the number of dots are 0. So here the formal charge of carbon in carbon dioxide is 0. Now we will calculate the formal charge of oxygen in carbon dioxide molecule. We know that the valence electron of oxygen is 6 minus the number of bond which is formed in the carbon dioxide, that is the number of bond are 2 minus the number of dots which are present in the lone pair are 4. So we calculate the formal charge of oxygen atom in carbon dioxide, that is also the 0, that is number of valence electron are 6, number of bond are 2, and the number of dots which are present in the lone pair are 4. So after calculating all these we get the formal charge of oxygen is 0. And same is the case for the other oxygen atom in the carbon dioxide, because the other oxygen atom also have 4 dot or the 2 lone pair of electron, 2 bond and 6 valence electron. So the second oxygen also have the formal charge 0 and the overall charge on the molecule is 0. So carbon dioxide molecule also the neutral. So that's for all today the learner. Thanks for watching.